There's no application?
No.
All right. Probation, there's no application. Court is calling 2024 CR 2335, State of Texas versus Michael Anthony Compost. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
I would order the rest for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Compost?
No.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Compost, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Waive, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Compost, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of robbery? Range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If the state proves up the enhancement, your range of...
Pause here, this is where the danger spikes. Without enhancement, robbery is serious. With enhancement, it explodes into 5 to 99 years or life. This warning isn't routine, it's the court making sure the defendant understands just how close he is to losing the rest of his life.
Your punishment will be 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Compost, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 13 years in the prison. There are no applications.
13 years sounds heavy, but compared to life? This is survival math. When enhancement is proven, defendants often take a double-digit sentence just to cap the damage. This isn't giving up, it's limiting loss.
And this is to run concurrent with 2022 CR 2522. And you're to agree that you've been previously convicted of another charge for purposes of enhancement. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
In both places. Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And to the enhancement, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
This is a critical moment. By pleading true to the enhancement, he's admitting a prior conviction and unlocking harsher punishment. In exchange, the state locks itself into the deal. High risk, controlled outcome.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your proof and based upon states exhibits 1 and
No witnesses. No dramatic cross-examination. Just documents. This is how plea cases end quietly. The judge isn't deciding if he's guilty anymore, only how long he'll disappear from society.
attachments.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Then the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 13 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 2522. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement. Your right to appeal, you do not have or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. We're going to proceed with 2022 CR 2522. What's entitled motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review?
Committed the offense of robbery in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged in these motions.
No,
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 7 years in the prison?
Here's the domino effect. A new robbery automatically becomes a probation violation. One case feeds the other. When probation falls, mercy usually falls with it.
Up to a $1,500 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you grant the motion, revoke the defendant's probation, and sentence him to 7 years in the prison, concurrent with cause number 2024 CR 2335.
that is our understanding agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 7 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 2335. There's an affirmative finding.
This finding changes everything permanently. No firearms. No ammunition. No undo button. Even after prison ends, this follows him for life.
Of family violence. There's to be no contact with Sarah S-A-R-A-H Garzes, G-A-R-Z-E-S. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification. Pen just spilled. Going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. How old are you?
42.
All right, you're 42. You're getting to the point where I am, which is we're on the downside of life, right? So I know you have a lot of issues that are going on in your background based upon your tattoos and everything else. So you're going to have to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life. Do you want to be in?
The judge strips it down to one question: prison forever or freedom someday? At 42, the clock is loud. 13 years now or decades later. So let me ask you, was this deal mercy, or was it already the last chance? Drop your thoughts below.
Prison and locked up for the rest of your life? Or do you want to be in the free world? It's completely up to you. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
All right, I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome.
And be excused, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you.